First open your web browser. Now type Chrome download and press enter. Here click on the first link. Here click on download Chrome. Make sure the first option is selected and then click on accept and install. Now close your browser, and open your terminal. Now type cd downloads. Now type ls and make sure the deb file is there. Now type sudo dpkg-i and the name of the file, press tab to autocomplete. Now type Google-Chrome in the terminal. As you can see, Google Chrome is successfully installed. You can also click on the top left corner and type Chrome, to check if it's installed or not.